Namaskar dear students and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics. Today we shall do two questions on trigonometry, very useful for various exams like JEE, NDA, CTS and 11th maths. So let's begin. So now let us see this first question. If 10a is equal to 5 square root 3 and 10b equal to minus 3 by 4, then find 10a plus b without a calculator. And if a plus b, the angle a plus b lies between pi and 2 pi, determine the angle a plus b. So we know that 10a plus b is equal to 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b. So 10a plus b is equal to, now 10a is given to be 5 root 3 and 10b is given to be minus 3 by 4. So we are placing the values of 10a and 10b in this fraction. Okay, so this is of course 20 root 3 minus 3 upon 4 upon plus 15 root 3 upon 4. So this is equal to 20 root 3 minus 3 upon 4 plus 15 root 3. Now we multiply above and below by the conjugate of denominator. So this becomes 4 minus 15 root 3, numerator multiplied by and denominator multiplied by 4 minus 15 root 3. So this is 80 root 3 minus 900, because 20 into 15 is 300 and root 3 into root 3 is 3, minus 12 and plus 45 root 3 upon 16 minus 225, 15 ka square into 3. Okay, so this is 912 minus, it is in minus of course, minus 900 minus 12 is minus 912 and plus 125 square root of 3 divided by 16 minus 675. This is 912 minus 125 square root of 3 and this is 15 minus 6 is 9, 6 minus 1 is 5 and 6. Okay, and of course this is the value of 10a plus b and this is definitely greater than 0, means 10 of a plus b is greater than 0, means positive. Given a plus b lies between third and fourth quadrant, hence due to these equation and inequation we have a plus b lying in third quadrant, because in third quadrant the tangent is positive. Okay, let us calculate this thing and find out the value of 10 of a plus b. So 10 of a plus b is equal to 912 minus 125 into 1.732 upon 659. It is my sincere advice to all the viewers and to all the students that please keep in mind always the values of square root of 3, square root of 2 and square root of 5. And take note of one thing, or rather take care of one more thing, that since you are not allowed to use the calculator, use some strategic tools in solving the complex
calculations of mathematics. Which tools?
For example, I know that 125 into 8 will give me 1000. Now it is always easiest to multiply any number with
Any number that is in the power of 10. So this is the power of, this is 10 raised to power 3. Okay.
So what we will do? We will do something like this: 912 minus multiplying 125 by 8, at the same time dividing 1.732 by 8.
In order to nullify the effect of multiplication of 125 by 8.
Simple. Upon 659. Why? To make this 1000. And we get the approximate value of this fraction equal to 912 minus 912 to 1000 into 0.2. We are dividing 1.732 by 8. 1 and almost 0.217 approximately. Okay, and it is 659 divided by 659. Okay. So tan of A plus B is approximately equal to 912 minus 217 upon 659. It is of course equal to 695 upon 659. And what I am doing, since you are not allowed to use the calculator, what I am doing, I am making 695 to 696 and 659 to 660.
Because in this fraction 695 and 659 both were not divisible by 3, but when I made 695 to approximately 696 and 659 to 660, both, I mean both numerator and denominator in this fraction are divisible by 3, and I get this thing. Okay.
And of course in this fraction both numbers, I mean numerator and denominator, both are divisible by 4. So it is, and this is 55. So I get approximately a value, say 1.01 or so, or let us say 1.02 at the most. Correct? Simple. Of course, in the first quadrant, we know then tan 45 degree is 1. So A plus B is, say, some 46 degree. Why? Because tan theta is an increasing function in the interval 0 to pi by 2, correct, or 0 to 90 degree. Simple. But we have seen above that A plus B, the angle A plus B is lying in third quadrant. We know that tan pi plus theta equal to tan theta, where theta is some angle. Hence, tan 46 is equal to tan 180 degree plus 46 means tan 226 degree. So A plus B is approximately equal to 226 degree. Answer. Okay. Now let us see the second question. Again from trigonometry. A and B are both obtuse angles with sine A equal to 5 upon 13 and tan B is equal to minus 3 by 4. Correct? So the quadrant where sine A is positive and tan B is negative is of course second quadrant. So as given in the question, A and B both are obtuse angles. Correct? Now since sine A is 5 upon 13, where A is in the second quadrant, cos A is of course minus square root of 1 minus 5 upon 13 square. I have placed minus here because cos theta is negative in second quadrant. So this is, and of course cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So this is of course equal to 13 square 169 minus 25, so 144 upon 13 square, so it is 12 upon 13. Now given 10b is equal to minus 3 by 4 and b is in, the angle B is in second quadrant, means of course sin B upon cos B equal to 3 upon minus 4, means 3 upon 5 upon minus 4 upon 5. I have divided by 5 in both numerator and denominator because 3 square root of 3 square plus 4 square is 5, correct? So I have sin B is equal to 3 by 5 and cos B is minus 4 by 5. Of course cos B is minus 4 by 5 because in the second quadrant cos theta is negative and sin theta is positive in second quadrant. Simple. Now we need to find out the value of sin A plus B. Sin A plus B, it is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So this is sin A, we have equal to 5 upon 13 from here. Cos B is equal to minus 4 upon 5 plus cos A. So cos A is minus 12 upon 13. Here it is. Sin B is 3 upon 5. So this is minus 20 upon 65 minus 36 upon 65. So this is minus 56 upon 65. Answer. So this part has been solved. Next we have to find out cos A minus B. So cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So cos A is minus 12 upon 13, cos B is minus 4 upon 5, sin A is 5 upon 13 and sin B is 3 upon 5. So this is 48 upon 65 plus 15 upon 65. So it is 63 upon 65. Answer. Okay, this is answer. And finally 10 of A plus B. So 10 of A plus B, it is equal to 10A plus 10B upon 1 minus 10A 10B. So 10A is equal to sin A upon cos A, and 10B we already know because 10B has been given to be minus 3 by 4. So minus 3 by 4 upon 1 minus sin A upon cos A into minus 3 by 4. So this is equal to, now sin A is of course 5 upon 13 and cos A is equal to minus 12 upon 13 minus 3 by 4 upon 1 minus 5 upon 13 minus 12 upon 13 into minus 3 by 4. This is of course equal to minus 5 upon 12 minus 3 by 4 upon 1 minus 5 upon 12 into minus 3 by 4. So 10 of A plus B, it is equal to minus 20 minus 36 upon 48 upon 48 minus 15 upon 48. So this is equal to minus 56 upon 33 answer. So the value of 10A plus B has also been found out.
Okay. Thank you very much, dear students, for watching this video. In the next video, we shall do some more questions of mathematics from secondary classes. Namaskar.
वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद।